तो बच्चों, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक लाइफ प्लान्स एआई एक्सपर्ट्स के बारे में है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। इलॉन ग्लेकलिच 7 मिनट अपडेटेड November 23, 2024। डाउनलोड नाउ फ्री बिजनेस प्लान एआई prompts। It's safe to say that 2023 has been the year of artificial intelligence. The emergence of generative AI tools like ChatGPT has put powerful new tools into the hands of business owners. In growing numbers, business are using AI for researching their market and competitors, writing sales outreach emails, creating blog posts, setting up social media campaigns, utilizing chatbots to answer common questions on their website, drafting communication with staff and stakeholders. In fact, a recent Zero survey of over 3,000 small business owners around the world found that over half were either experimenting with AI or investing in AI tools, and despite concerns that the technology is advancing faster that it can be regulated, most respondents expected its impact on their business to grow in the coming years. And yet, nearly 7 in 10 respondents said they see drawbacks to using generative AI in their business. Those include inaccurate or biased content that could harm their reputation, decreased efficiency due to time spent editing and revising AI content, decreased employee morale driven by fear AI will replace their jobs. Pro tip: skip the spreadsheet, try LivePlan's drag and drop forecasting for fast and error-free financial projections. Turning to LivePlan for AI advice. As a leader is in business planning insights and innovation, the LivePlan team has been closely following AI development and their applications for entrepreneurs and small business owners. We have recently added AI features to LivePlan that assist entrepreneurs with business plan writing and suggest revenue streams for their financial forecast based on their business type. Editing AI features most editing decision we made lightly. We know small business owners need to reply, understand all the pieces of their business plan. In fact, we have completed the major pros and cons of using AI for business planning to help entrepreneurs understand the opportunities and potential pitfalls of this new technology. On business and community leaders have turned to LivePlan recently for their AI insights. As well, over 1 million small business customers have used the app, and LivePlan keeps an open line of communication with them about their experiences and pain points. Check out this scripted questions from community members and responses from the LivePlan team at a pair of recent events. Chamber of Commerce sponsored business summit for young professionals and a round table decision hosted by an economic development organization. LivePlan panelist Josh Cochran, VP of Product; Josh Clark, Product Designer; Jadija Hurt, Director of Engineering; Peter Thorson, Director of Business Development. Why has the LivePlan invested so much time and effort to understand generative AI's impact on business? George Cochran. First, it is a transformative new technology that may have the potential to solve thorny problems for our customers in our work There's sometimes a gap between the amount of help that our users want and how much we are able to provide there historically. We can't just say magically write a business plan content for them expect now with this technology there are new opportunities to help business owners and these opportunities for go much wider and deeper than just assistant with a writing task we are really exciting about the potential upside for our customers. What role do you LivePlan see AI models like ChatGPT playing in the planning process for small business owners? Josh Clark. The thing that I love about AI and how we've approached it with the LivePlan is that we try to reduce the skills gap, use it to help people learn. Business plan requires a vast amount of skill that really excellent business owners or craft people may not have writing, financial forecasting, market research, copy editing. We've attempted to try to fill the skill gap on some of this adjacent skills really important in business planning. By doing so, we can not only help them with a task that they haven't mastered but also train them to be more component. And that's the important thing with AI research shows that AI can be used to help people go from non-mystery to intermediate level mastery of a subject in half the time of regular training methods. So by using AI, we are not only helping customers get the great business plan right in, but we're helping them increase their own ability to think strategically about their business plan and its execution. What challenges did the LivePlan team face when incorporating AI features into the gap, and how will that work set LivePlan up for success? Jadeja had the challenges that the team faced were about setting up an entire end-to-end pipeline around building great product with these tools. The part that has taken the most time and effort is to really build an entire evolution pipeline to standardize on some rating or some evolution data set that helps us understand if your customers are getting good responses or bad ones. It's something that we are still working on where and we continuing to learn how to really make good or use of that data. Maybe eventually we'll get to the point of using that data to fine tune chat gpt based model. I think that's where we're really getting into the trickier more complex part of the process, really learning how to get a level of clarity and understanding of the user experience. And it's particularly challenging with LLMS charge language models because we never know exactly what answer they are going to give and go it's a part of what makes them really new and interesting and exciting is that they kind of improving is the moment, but it also creates a whole new host of challenges for creating predictable and consistently great user experience. What do you say to people who are skeptical about AI? Peter Thelson. People are arguing whether the hype is real for this whole thing. He can have that argument, but the fact that it's happening in much public sphere and so many people are talking about it means more people are feeling invested in new technology. We're participating in a thing that's changing the future of how we're going to interact with software and hardware. So figuring out what your place in that is requires having some basic understanding of what we're talking about with AI. What kinds of questions do you get from audience members struggling to know where to start with AI in their business? Jadeja Hart. On a specific question I've gotten is if there are any official training materials or courses or something standardized that will really help people understand what these AI tools are and how to use them. And I really encourage people to just get it and tinker and experiment with it. You need to build more of a direct intuition of how to really use these things that will always go deeper and be more valuable than ongoing and finding somebody else distilled experience of how to use it. Think about tools like ChatGPT as a modern technological literacy tool on a level with being able to use a smartphone or do a Google search or use the internet. AI will really become a standardized capability, and anybody who has the ability to use it well will have a lot of advantage. How do use LivePlan's AI powered reflect its mission of streamlining and improving business planning process? Josh Christian, Cochran's. Mostly that we literally practice what we preach. We're trying to help people succeed in business, not just to get them to try your product or create a business plan, but to successfully accomplish their goals. We are regularly, really consistently thinking about how best to do that, how to use our resources and time and ingenuity to increase our own customers' chances of success. If an amazing new technology shows up on a given day, there's a chance we may rethink our current priorities and pivot to take advantage of it as soon as the day after. That feels pretty good, and we are continuing that regular reviews as we go. Or generative AI features have been regular and well perceived by our customer base, or customers still have other needs to that or not ours addressable with the AI and prioritizing those opportunities as well as warranted, not just limiting or focus to her ones that match nicely with the new technology. Why do live plan team members take time to share their knowledge and experiences? Peter Thorson. It definitely stems from the company mission to support small businesses, and that includes non-profit. We even have a non-profit program where employees get a certain number of hours when they can volunteer paid time for local non-profits. There, these panels and round tables kind of dovetails into that. The amount of pressure we feel from the fast development of AI, we assume matches the sorts of feelings and experiences being felt by all local business, because we are so in touch with it and so in tune with the day-to-day development and what it means to respond to it. How we got to the psychology of philosophy of adopting the technology that are then fighting it or turning a blind eye to it. All that means it that I think where I in a pretty good position to just sort of tell our story for these people and give it a bit of a learning experience vibe, but also a collaborative vibe. Like this post share with a friend, Elon Gloglich. Elon is a marketing specialist at Palo Alto Software, working with accountants, business instructors, and other who use LivePlan at scale. He has a bachelor's degree in journalism and a master of business administration from the University of Oregon. See you on next video. Take care. Bye.